Going to the next slide, which is a continuation of the demographic risk slides. And this shows two sets of data. It shows the age gender score compared to aggregate for the current period and the prior period, and also something called the group risk score. The age gender score is it's based on an actuarial analysis that basically estimates the costs, the expected cost for each member of your population based on their age and gender, and then we average that out over the entire population and compare that average to the average for our whole population. So all things being equal, an age gender score of 0.98, which is what it is for you, we'd expect your average cost to be 2% less than our average. The actual aggregate for your group of client, for the type of business category you're in, is 0.97, so we'd actually expect you to be a little higher than the aggregate based on your age gender score. But whatever the age gender mix of a population is, you can still have variation in the burden of chronic illness in the population. And the group risk score is based on claims data and estimates the prevalence of chronic illnesses in the population. And you can see that your group risk score this past year was 0.83, slightly higher than the average 0.79, but also quite a bit higher than it had been the prior year. We typically see a big jump in the group risk score when there's been a big change in the population, or when the client is new to us and we, in the first year, the group risk score is low because we haven't got all the claims data yet to be able to calculate the group risk score accurately. So this kind of jump in the group risk score either is consistent with a new client in their second year, or there's been some significant change in the population, either a big layoff where they laid a bunch of healthy people off, or a merger and acquisition where they added a bunch of people who weren't so healthy. So one of those two things is likely to have occurred.